Every year in Ethiopia, on September 27th or 28th in a leap year, a giant bonfire lights up the night sky. This is Meskel, a celebration that's burned bright for over 1,600 years. It marks the discovery of the true cross, when Empress Saint Helena, mother of Constantine, came to the Holy Land and saw a vision telling her to light a fire, and the smoke pointed to the burial site, where they found the crosses at what is now known as the Church of the Holy Sepulchre in Jerusalem. In Addis Ababa's Meskel Square, thousands gather, priests in colorful robes, youngsters praising in unison, and the massive Demra fire blazing at the center, which represents the light that led to the cross. Today, the true cross is no longer in one single location. Over the centuries, it was divided into fragments and distributed to different Christian churches around the world. It is believed a fragment of the true cross is kept at Gishan Mariam Monastery here in Ethiopia. Meskel isn't just a festival, it's faith, tradition, and joy, all in one unforgettable night.